Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So, as you guys can see from the title of this video, this is gonna be Who Knows Me Best Friends Edition. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and because this is, the quarantine time, I can't actually have persons here with me, so I decided to use WhatsApp calling to call my friends and to see which one knows me best. So I hope you guys will enjoy this actually fun making. So I hope you guys will enjoy. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see if I can get my first victim on this. So alright guys, Tovia is getting on the line. Hi.
Hi.
So I want you to be into a YouTube video for me.
You want me to do what?
Be in a YouTube video. See it? May I film it? I'm just gonna ask you some questions.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see how well you know me. So you're going to answer which one of them you think describe me better. Good?
Okay.
Alright. Vanilla or chocolate?
Chocolate.
Meh! You must be like chocolate yet? You don't know me at all. Next one. Dogs or cats?
Dogs. Puppies.
That better? Anyways, next one. Breakfast or dinner? You say if you don't know that one, yeah.
Breakfast.
Oh, you're better. You're not a bad person, you have sense. Football or basketball?
Basketball. No, football, because you always talk about them things.
Thank you. You are too beaten. Music or movies?
Music.
Oh,
Yeah.
better. Maths or reading?
Maths.
I don't question that. That's no question at all. Anyways, so what are my favorite colors?
Yellow and purple.
I want more.
Black.
Oh, yeah, OG friend. You're a good girl. You're a good girl.
I won. Where's my prize?
Alright, later.
Alright.
Alright guys, so I am going to call Nash now. So I'm going to start recording so I can call her. Hi. So I got some questions for you. Introduce yourself. Everybody remember my daughter, Nash. Anyways, so I have some questions here for you. And as a daughter, if you can't answer them, I'm going to disown you.
Jesus Christ.
Anyway, so pick which one you think goes for me best. Vanilla or chocolate?
Chocolate.
You don't know me at all. Next question. Dogs or cats?
Neither. Cats.
I hate cats. I can't believe you. But this one already. Eh? Can you imagine? What?
I didn't know you like pets.
I don't really like pet, but if I should choose, I would choose dogs because I think they're cute when they're small. I'm afraid of them, but they're cute. Can't believe I didn't know this. Anyways, do I prefer breakfast or dinner?
Breakfast.
Oh, you better. Anyways, football or basketball?
You don't do football.
Okay, you better know. Music or movies?
This is a hard one. No.
This is not hard at all.
What is?
I'm gonna send you over to your real mother. I shall eat that. Not me. You always see me watch YouTube.
Well, well.
Okay. Me hardly watch movie. I shall a movie person.
True.
Anyways, this is the easy one. Maths or reading.
What's maths?
Exactly. And then the last questions. What are my 3 favorite colors?
Purple, yellow. I can't know.
Think of one. Oh, you better. Alright, sweetie. You'll see who win when I post the video. Alright guys, now I'm gonna try and call my BFF, see if she can win this one. So yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Alright, so it's your turn to answer some questions.
Hold on, let me go outside.
Okay, sweetie. Yes, guys, this is my BFF, and if she not get to 100%, I'm gonna disown her.
We're getting question here? What are you talking about?
Yes, girl. I'm gonna question you. So I have
People, before
7
we start
questions.
Let me tell you that we're in the same house and this girl tries to call me. Like, seriously?
Just saying.
She's sick. Anyway, question away.
Anyways, so you're going to answer which one would be for me. So the best one for me. Vanilla or chocolates?
Vanilla.
Good girl. Dogs or cats?
Dog.
Okay.
You hate cats. You always keep your cats. You probably would pick the dog. If it's small, not if it's big or bad.
Thank you.
If I yeah.
Exactly. Breakfast or dinner?
You hate food, so it's breakfast.
Thank you. Girl, 3 out of 3.
Either eggs or bacon and all of them crap they were not supposed to eat. Breakfast, yeah. You waffles, yeah.
Whatever. Anyways, football or basketball?
You don't play none.
But if I should choose, which one would I do?
Probably basketball.
I played football in college.
You don't
Jesus.
play that in sports,
I did play football in college.
I forgot that part of your life.
You're no longer a best friend. Next question. Music or movies?
Music.
Thank you.
Any.
Next question. Math or reading?
Come again?
Maths or reading?
That's a joke, right? You hate reading.
Next question. Last question. What are my 3 favorite colors?
Purple.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow.
Mm-hmm.
And they say black is not a color, but it's black.
Thank you. Okay. You got 6 out of 7.
Did I get the highest?
You will see when the video comes out. Bye. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
I want to big up my baby father, my baby mother, everybody. Yeah, love you. Mwah.
Bye. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and comment. Alright, so if you made it to the end of this video, comment the peace sign. Everybody go ahead and do that. Let us have a great time in this quarantine time, even though I know some of us may be going through a rough time. I know, and I want to remind you guys that God is with us always. We need to trust him even more in this time. Hope you guys will enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.